Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable water lock, or simply how to lock your touchscreen on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, enter the password to unlock your Apple Watch, then press the side button to open the control center, and in the control center you're gonna have to scroll down the list until you find this droplet icon. Tap on it, and this way you will enable the water lock, and now nothing you do on the display of this Apple Watch will affect the way it behaves. So to disable it, you have to press the control center button again, and then hold down the digital crown until your device unlocks. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.